The long neck one, they better tell himself a bill him will last like the unruly camp on me kills.
See, I'm a bossy nine. What you mean? Fredman and Jman, them not for shine. And 6 months there, every killer live a life.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Sting the right one in the corner, and because of that, it's like every artist on was and bees. Some artists where people not even remember about for the longest while. You see them crawl out and a shoot a one shot and a make leng no. So watch I know them there. We see Blak Ryno make a post on him Instagram page, basically paying homage to the real boss. And may I tell you, it is a good look. The moment me see that post, I one thing me remember. Busy Signal song when name What If. What if Gaza Nation for unite and all of the Portmore Empire artists, the Javinji them, the Popcorn, the Blak Ryno, the Tommy Lee them, everybody come together and farm back the real Gaza Nation who they know from day one. What would happen? May I tell you, the world would have taken by storm. And when I say storm, pun intended, because remember, Chant Storm are the real top lieutenant in the Gaza. And speaking of Chant Storm, we see Gage like him ready to go bust out Chant Storm head, him ready for a counteraction. And we just there and wait patiently. And me no know when dancehall reach that place where all the artists them do a go on internet, go type and yap. A song we know this for, we know dancehall for the artists them go in the studio and put on record whatever them want to say to the real art one next man. We understand so we in the internet era and everybody are gonna make use of it. But come on man, I water, yeah me artist, but me see I make some nice and to tell you the truth, me don't know exactly who you are. But I like for the viewers tell me down below what really are going with I water for I water make that post the way I make. But before me go further in the details, may I ask you to do me one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. Do not hesitate to hit that like button and leave a comment in the comment section down below. We'll get straight into it.
Kill at them I run the leads. Hungry belly when I feed. Couple million me need. Bobby 6, what you mean? Chop the food.
Up first, we see Squash release a music video for him song titled Chant, and to tell you the truth, it's a very grimy song, and the music video is even more grimy. But I know that we are going to talk about, which is Squash now, he make a post on him Instagram page, him and Jman and couple other youth vibing to the song Chant. And me I tell you, the man them a make use of the luxury of living in America. Machine in a pocket, extension clip long like broomstick, and not normal. And if it was Jamaica, even if you're a license of firearm holder, you couldn't assure the public and assure us with your machine. But as I said, that is the luxury of living in America. Almost every state, you can just go in a gun shop, buy a gun, them run a background check. Once everything come up clean, them sell your gun and you're good to go. While some of them have to actually have a permit. You understand? There's so much things to it. But the fact of the matter is that in America, it is so easy to own a gun. And the man them make use of the luxury of owning a gun in America. Brawling with it. I know a lot of people might see it and I say, yo, really, them might eat that, this, that, and whatever the case may be. Which, yes, they might not have to show you up so, but I feel them business that. But what me can tell you, almost everybody in America, once them reach 18, them have a gun. Not take them simple. Just know, say, the brother there, the woman there, the man there, them strap. So you have to be careful. Who remember when a Foota Eye farmer artist when he am fully bad, him drop a track titled Badness, and in the track, this away fully bad have to say.
Look, the long neck one, they better tell himself a bill him will last like the unruly camp on me kill snip.
Now, me no know who him call the long neck one, but if I should take a calculated guess, I believe it is either Alkaline or Silk Bass. We're not going to spend much time on this either way. This is when you have to say to Skeng or about Skeng.
Snip gunpowder go for the one we pop pill. My mother than them, want put them a sting. Murder people.
With him saying that, it's obvious his aim is to get booked for a sting. But if you tell you the truth fully bad, it a got hard. If you see amount of artists out there do it, and you see amount of young artists where, in my opinion, them run past you and they far ahead of you. So it a got hard for you get booked unless them a go book a bag of people, overcrowd it and have each artist a perform for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. But me personally not really say fully bad getting booked unless somebody answer to him and one lyrical battle of one and link them decide say alright, let's put on a clash between Fully Bad and this artist. But me personally not really see Fully Bad I get book for still.
Some about the chick black for even carry safety. With the 6 pants and pandeli carry 80. Paper we kill.
We see Blak Ryno post that picture here with Vybz Kartel and the caption said, "This man changed my life regardless of all our differences. Free Kartel." And as me tell you earlier, the moment me see it, one thing come to my mind. What if? Now, it is really a good look for know say yo, even though them have them differences and they might not put them differences aside, Blak Ryno still take the opportunity to pay homage to Vybz Kartel. I honestly don't remember if since Blak Ryno leave the Gaza him do something like this, and me just hope that this will probably create a path for a better friendship, at least a better friendship between the two.
See I'm a bossy nine. What you mean Fredman and Jman them not fi shine. And 6 bars there, every killer live.
Now we see Chant a shoot after everybody head, and right as me speak, there is a song premiering on his Vivo channel, and I believe it's going to be a diss track aimed directly at Gage, because Gage, out of everybody where get the Kunk, Gage decides say more take it up in hand, him not continue make Chant and bully him, and him a go fight back. The reason why I say this is because him post a little synopsis of a diss track where him have loading, and the title of that track is Tropical Breeze. We don't know a Chant discover, because in one of his recent Instagram story, him say Chant is just a little breeze. Him man on a real storm. But personally no feel like say that title here is good for your diss track. Tropical Breeze, that sound more like you sing about Jamaica or you go sing a girl song or whatever the case may be. But who knows? The lyrics might make you even look past the title, so we not spend much time on that. Last but not least, when dancehall really reach that place where all the artists them do, whenever the man and next artist have something, I fi go up on internet and type. When dancehall reach that place and nobody feel like I water alone me attack. Me attack basically all of the artists that want me see I do this for the longest while. The only reason why it might look like say it is totally directed at Iwater is because him are the most recent artist me see do it, which is why me decide say me will talk about it. We see him make a post and say, "You only can think for this me, LOL. Just try it, man. Any man." And you see you have the alien emoji. Me no take program from no man. Wanna try get that in on a big head. Fussy. Me really don't know where I talk. But if you know, just tell me down below in the comment section. Anyway, you have come to the end of another report. If you are not yet a subscriber, please do not hesitate to hit that subscription button. Also, leave a like on this video and leave a comment. Bless up.
Father, forgive me. Hear from my mates daily. Me a chat with my gun. Yeah.
Look, the long neck one, they better tell himself a bill him. Will last like the unruly camp on me kill sniff gunpowder.
Me a chat with my gun. Yeah, hear me. Burn switch for me. Yeah, play with. What the fuck?
Sniff gunpowder go for the one we pop pill. My mother than them, want put them a sting. Murder people.
Killer them are running leads. Hungry belly when I feed. Couple million me need. Bobby 6, what you mean? Chop the food.
La 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 la. What song for every fucking redeem? My mother asked for kind of